55 years.
Over 55 years of Torah learning.
Over 55 years of excellence in education,
of passing on the Masorah, and of dedication to the students and families in our community.
So many minds have been stimulated. So many souls have been inspired. Thousands have graduated, and countless have returned.
Growth happens every day here, but right now we are in the midst of some of the biggest leaps forward.
2 years ago, through the generosity of the Caskey family,
we became the Morris and Rose Caskey Torah Academy.
Today, we are experiencing a $10 million renovation, an expansion that will enhance our space for even greater learning, growth, and connection.
Last year, we launched the Blueprint for Inspired Learning, a declaration of the values that we've carried for over half a century,
defining the educational and social approaches that CTA embraces and lives by each and every day.
It allows us to inspire the future leaders, the emotionally intelligent 21st century mensches of our world.
Some of our greatest feelings of pride lie in the strong relationships that are promoted and built at CTA. Bonds between students and teachers, between students and each other,
between parents and the school, and between the administration and faculty.
This happens when we follow the thoughtful strategies emerging from the conscious discipline and responsive classroom approaches.
Through enrichment clusters like
robotics, debate, improv.
With Shabbatonim, our Bina and Sunday school programs, the teacher-student basketball game on Lag BaOmer, connecting with the Benot Cheirut, and the natural relationships built while toiling over a daf of Gemara.
We have been able to provide, maintain, and expand this level of excellence in large part because of you, our donors, our parents, and our students. So this year, we simply want to say thank you.
For those who have always considered us a pillar in our community.
To those inspired by our blueprint for learning, and to those who believe in our dream and help us make it reality. You are our foundation.
As much as our blueprint inspires learning, you inspire us. We can't wait for what's next and to share it with you.